Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, Bossy with Bossy Solutions. And today, yes, I am coming at you with what? 4 unsecured credit cards for those of us with challenged credit. Look, I know that having bad credit or no credit can be a hindrance to reaching your goals financially. So if you like this video and you want to hear more like it, look, y'all know what I'm gonna do here on Bossy Solutions. I'm gonna give you the rundown on how to boost your credit and how to finesse these credit bureaus and get your credit right, okay? So if you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and bell button so that you're notified every time that I make a post. And hey, guess what? I might go live sometimes, All right. So, we know that if you want to get ahead in life, we got to get that credit on point, okay? And I know that a lot of people believe that, if your credit score is low or if you have limited credit history, that you're not going to be able to get anything except for secured credit cards. But guess what? Wrong. Okay, secured credit cards are fine. But they require a security deposit, and I'll go over the difference between secured credit cards and regular credit cards in another video. But I just wanted to give you guys today 4 unsecured credit cards that you can get with bad credit. I mean, if your credit score is in the 500s, low mid 500s, you can get these cards. Now, not if you've been getting, maybe even if you got some inquiries on there, but I'm going to give you this list, okay? This list is for you, okay? All right. Now, I want to just keep in mind, guys, that these cards don't have high limits, okay? Some of y'all, leave a comment below if you apply for any of these cards. Tell me what limit you got and give us a little bit of the rundown. I didn't get too many high limits when I first applied for these cards, but I have each one of these cards, and now my limits have been increased, but I'm just going to give you guys a rundown of how it was when I first got these cards, okay? I just want to let you guys know that these cards don't have high limits, though, and these are just to help you establish and build credit worthiness, okay? And I just want you guys to know about these cards so that you don't have to put no money down for no secured credit card, okay? All right. And I did try to list these cards in order from least impressive features to the most desirable features, okay? All right. Also, each of these credit cards report monthly, and also most of these cards offer a credit line increase after 6 months to 12 months. Okay, so you guys be responsible. Okay, so the first card on the list is First Premier. Okay, and I have had this card, and honestly, it's not all that, but I think the only reason I put it on this list is because it's easy to get approved for. I think they approve anybody and their dog. Like, seriously, I think they approve anybody and their dog, okay? Technically, this is classified as an unsecured card, but the reason I don't like this card is because just in order for you to accept the agreement and the offer, you have to pay $95, and the lowest credit limit you can have is $300, which is the credit limit that I initially got approved for. Now, just think about it this way. If you pay the $95 and you only have a $300 credit limit, that leaves you with $225. But not only that, when you receive the card, you will only have $225 of available credit, because there's a fee of $75 to use this card, and they attach that to your balance upon initial use. I will tag each of these credit cards in the description, so you guys can click the link and go read all of the disclosures there. But basically, if you only have a $300 credit limit, you're technically only getting access to $130 worth of credit. And so I don't really think this card is that great. I only suggest this card just because somebody might be interested in it, child. I don't know. Anyways, number 3 is Surge. So the Surge card is through Continental Finance, and I really do like this card. I've had it for a while, but I did notice when I first got it that it kept getting declined in different At first I could use the Uber, then I couldn't use it with Uber. First DoorDash liked it, then DoorDash didn't like it. So this card is really sometimesy. It's kind of temperamental. So I stopped using it, and I only use it basically to have it on my credit report as an aging credit line. It does double. The credit limit will double after 6 months. So now I have an $800 credit limit on this card. And I think it's great because it helps me lower my credit utilization while I'm rebuilding my credit worthiness. Okay, so I really don't like this card. It kind of sucks. It's kind of ghetto. It's kind of hood. It's very temperamental. But if you just want to have it to put on your profile and you've got bad credit and you want to show the credit companies, hey, I was able to get a $400 unsecured credit line, and if you're responsible with it after 6 months, hey, you know, this could be a really good option for you, okay? So moving right along, next we have Credit One. So I really like Credit One. Credit One is a really good company. I got approved initially for $300. You can the good thing about this card is you can pre-qualify with a soft pull, okay? So you don't have to get a hard pull on your credit profile. So I really, honestly, if you're going to apply for any of the cards on the list, I suggest applying for this one first, okay? This card does have instant bill pay with your available credit being able to be utilized within immediately. The first $100, they will release that first $100 when you pay off your credit. If it's over $100, they will go ahead and make that available for spending immediately. Okay, so I kind of like that. I usually don't carry a balance on any of my cards though, so it's all good. And the one thing that I like about this card, it's just really convenient. Like, they have so many different convenient features in the app. You can accept offers to save money and get cash back. Also, you can change your due date within the app. And also you can accept a credit line increase within the app. So there's just a lot of convenient features with this card. Very easy to get approved for. And so let's move on to the next. Now, this is my favorite card ever, okay? And this is the Merrick Bank card. Now, I got this card. This is the first card that sparked my curiosity, okay? So this card, you can get approved for anywhere initially from $550 to $1,350. And then the line will double 6 months in 6 months after responsible use and you paying the minimum payment. So the minimum payment on this card is $35. Now, I don't ever carry a balance, but even if you did, all you have to do is pay the $35 minimum balance, and after 6 months, they will double your line. They have 24-hour customer service, I think. They doubled my credit limit on time. I just really enjoy this card. I like what I like about it the most is if you pay your balance off before 5 p.m. Eastern time, the next morning your available credit will be there and you can just spend. So I don't carry a balance on this card. This is one of my favorite cards. I never carry a balance. So yeah, that's it. Now, let me know if you guys apply for any of these cards on the list. Let me know your initial credit limit. What was your credit score when you got approved? And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can get more credit limit or credit hacks and just more information about credit and finances and everything else that we talk about on this channel, Bossy Solutions, okay? All right, you guys. I'll see you later. Get bossed up, okay? Bye.